So today I have a video for you guys because I have a big package from YesStyle. So they kindly sent me some products to review on my channel, and this is from their quarantine campaign. They sent me some products and let's open it up. I'm just going to show you this. Okay, so this is the invoice. There are some apparels in here, so I will do apparels last because I'm going to show you guys the try-ons for that. Let's start with the smallest item first. So there's this cartoon phone stand. Okay, so I chose this pink color. It's cute little cloud. Yeah, so basically you can just put this on your phone and then, oh, okay, you can open up like this. So I think you just hold it like this. So if your phone is like, this is your phone, then you can just hold it like this. It's pretty cool. So the next item is this Bright Quick Dry Hair Towel. So I got it in grey color. This should be quite nice. Ooh, it's very soft and it's like this material. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's this shape is huge, but this is really soft, and so there's a button here as well, and this cute little parrot. Okay, yes, that's that. This bubble wrap of items. Okay, so the first one is this facial cleaning brush. I got it in color white. Basically, this is there's a hair here. Okay, so basically it's like this. The brush, it's really soft and fluffy, and it's like this, so you can hang it. You just put it on your face. Okay, I can't wait to try this out. And then I have this shiny and soft foot peeling mask. So that should be interesting because I have never tried foot mask before. I only tried face mask before. So this one is a new experience for me. So I'm definitely gonna try it out and see how's the effect like, because my feet is getting sore these days. So this should be interesting. And then I also have this face lifting roller in pink. So there are two colors for this, blue and pink, and I chose the pink one. So it's like this, and then you can, I don't know how you're gonna use this, but oh, okay. So it's just you roll this on your face, and then yeah, lifting effect like this. And I also have this headband. So this is the rabbit ear face wash headband in grey. I got it in grey color. Okay. So, oh my god, it's so cute. Oops. So cute. Look at this. It's like a rabbit. Oh, it has a wire in this inside, like okay, I don't know how to show you, but you can bend this. Then you bend it down. Yeah. It's stretchy and elastic. So this is really good when you are cleansing your face or like washing your face, and then you can just pull your hair up, you know, using this. I got this slippers, rabbit slippers in size 39 to 40. It's super cute. And the bag is like this. So the quality is quite nice. It's not very hard and not very soft, so it would not hurt your feet when you wear this. It's foldable, and like, you just put your feet in. So, oops, wrong size, but whatever, like this. On to the last two items. So I got this shirt. This is the elbow sleeve t-shirt in light blue. Okay, so is this color? It's like I got it in size L because I prefer wearing oversized shirts, so that's the reason why I got this. And yes, the quality, it's not cotton, but it's more like a mix of polyester. It's like those I don't know how to say this, but like this material is, yeah. So I will try this on. Last item. So this is the sweatpants. So high waist Drawcord-Hem Sweatpants in black. So there are 3 colors for this: grey, white, and black, and I got it in black color. Should be interesting because I don't have a sweatpants before, and really exciting to own one of these. Oh, this is big because I got it in size M. Yes, I got it in size M. It looks like this. And the back is just, there are 2 pockets at the back, as you can see. And then at the front there is this rock mark. Yo. Okay, the unique thing about this pants is the bottom part, because you can see this, you can tighten this up, so it gives you like street look vibe. So I will do my try-ons for this. Hi guys, so this is my try-on for the items that I got earlier. So you can see this t-shirt, it's just nice oversized fit, and I folded up my sleeves to give off a more relaxed kind of vibe. And for this sweatpants, as you can see here, there's pockets here, and the leg, as you can see, I've actually you know, pulled the strings tighter so it looks a bit more relaxed at the bottom. So you can actually pair it with any other crop tops or shirt and you are just ready to go. So this is how the whole pairing looks like, and it is quite casual, and I really like this look. It's like a more hip-hop-ish vibe. So yes, that's all for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. So stay tuned to my next video coming up very soon, because I have another haul from YesStyle and I'm very excited to film it. So bye bye.